What's going on, guys? In today's video we're going to be going over 5 quick tips that you may or may not know within Photoshop. So let's get started. First things first, we're going to zoom right into a image, find a spot, a mole, something that you don't want in the image, press J, select over it, left mouse click, bam, just get rid of it. J is for just get rid of it. So as you can see, before, after, before, after. One other example, guess what? This image here, I'm going to zoom in, J for just get rid of it. Right click, increase the size of the brush, click, 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 click. You don't want to do it too much. You don't want to overdo it. You want it to look natural. I'm going to zoom out real quick. This is before, after, before, after. I think it looks pretty good, not bad. It's only a couple of seconds. Of course, you can clean it up, make it look even better, but for a couple of seconds, I think that's not bad. Remember, J4, just get rid of it. Next, we have editing an image with only 3 clips. So you're going to need to go to Image, Adjustment, Color Lookup. Then click onto any of the 3D LUTs that you have in your system and bam, 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 bam. You can cycle through them and you can be editing your images literally in a few clicks. If you don't have any 3D LUTs, then click the link in the description. You can download some of my own. Also, I have a video in the description on how to import this into your scene. Next, we have straighten an image. Right now, you may have taken a photo, but look, it's not straight. So go to the crop tool, left hand side, find straighten, click onto this, draw a line, a straight line along the horizon, bam, just like that. We have a straightened image. Before, after, before, after, before, after. Tip number 4, you can actually export GIFs using Photoshop. So drag a video file into your Photoshop, bam, as you can see it's playing fine. Then go to File, Export, Save for Web Legacy. This window here will pop up. Make sure you select the GIF presets, press save. It will ask you where you want to save and bam. The 5th and final tip is subscribe. Do it, do it, do it, do it.